This is my husband doing the rain. I'm doing the rain dance. He's copying the Indians. He's copying the Indians from yesterday. Doing their rain, well, I don't think they were doing a rain dance, but he's just really into the Indians now that he saw the Indian dancers at the Fledge Fest yesterday. And he's just funny. He likes to do his little rain dance because where were we living when that worked?
Marion, North Carolina.
Marion, North Carolina. And he's doing his rain dance. But I told him it doesn't count because they already forecast rain for tomorrow, so...
All about the drum.
Yeah. His drum. He likes his Indian drum. Oh, there he goes with the... What does that do, honey? Are you
rain.
Blessing the skies?
Blessing the clouds.
I love you.
Love you.